All right. Pretty
we-
deadly Creed brothers for the NXT Tag Team Champions.
I still don't like the Creed brothers. They're just too. I don't like. It's not that I don't like them as wrestlers. They're just very. They're starting to get a little more dimensional with the character, which I appreciate. I appreciate the hell out of that. They're still just too generic for me. They're dialed too low, I think.
Right.
I need some dimensionality from
And
these
people are comparing them to Kurt Angle, obviously, and American Alpha, but it's like they had the amateur wrestler credentials,
right?
But you saw different things outside of that wrestling credentials,
right?
And you still see it with Chad Gable and Otis, who one of them is a bumbling goof and the other one is an intellectual. That has nothing to do with that amateur wrestling style. There's a way to do it. Look at Kurt Angle. You knew that he was good there, but then you have this up to infinity. What are your thoughts on Pretty Deadly? Because I get a mix. I like Pretty Deadly. I think they're a great team.
Yeah, they're okay.
I think they're more of that character.
It definitely was a transitional championship because of what happened, so it makes sense.
They kind of had to do something.
But now I can see now they're kind of getting back to the straight and narrow with the tag division, which I appreciate.
Was Pretty Deadly? Were they the first champions outside of MSK?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, they were
very transitional, and it definitely, once I saw the writing on the wall, the Creed brothers were going to win this match. Pretty Deadly are probably going to go back to England. Blah blah blah.
They had the stipulation that if the Creeds lost, they would be out of Diamond Mine. They've already lost enough people from Diamond Mine. They weren't going to lose the Creeds.
Ivy Nile with them as their manager is good. I think it really does help. But again, I just need to see a little more dimensionality from these characters.
Sometimes you have to leave a little bit of leeway given that this is still NXT 2.0. This is still a developmental promotion. Yeah. And you just got to give us some time to fester. But it was the clothesline, smash, whatever, for the Creeds to finally win the tag team champions. Overall, I'm definitely going to give this one a
thumbs up for me too.
It was a very good match. A lot of emotion. The crowd really helped with this match. But I really like Pretty Deadly. I wouldn't really make this majestic.
Yeah, there wasn't really anything go on. Yeah, it was pretty good. Let's move on.